Hello students, Namaste. This is Manjula. In this video, we are going to discussing about class 10th real numbers in that exercise 1.1 from NCERT text. First problem. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of given three problems. Before going to solve this question, first we should know Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma means here we are going to consider any two positive integers, like in general a and b. A and b are any two positive integers. That those two numbers we are going to write it in the form of a is equal to bq plus r. Actually, this is the standard form of the Euclid's division lemma. See, a and b are positive integers. These two integers are in the form of a is equal to bq plus r, and the condition of this r is r must be greater than or equal to 0, but it is less than b. This is the condition of r. Okay, this is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Q means quotient, R means remainder. A and B are two positive integers. In this form only we are going to arrange the given two numbers in the form of Euclid's division lemma, and through that only we are going to find the HCF of the given two numbers. First we are going to solve first one, 135 and 225. See, here these two problems are there. This is the, in this condition only we are going to arrange. Means this must be greater number compared to b. Means here we are going to consider greater number as a and smaller number as b. That is, a is 225 and b is 135. Here by long division method we are going to find the HCF. 135, smaller number consider it as dividend and greater number as divisor. 135 2s are 270, that is greater than this 225, right? So here we are going to consider 135 ones are, that is 135. 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 3 9. See, in this case this is a, this is b, this is quotient, and this is the remainder. Now we are going to arrange these terms in the form of a is equal to bq plus r. This 225 is equal to, here b is 135, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 90. This is the first step. Now in case of second step, this remainder here we are going to consider it as a divisor, and the divisor of the previous term or its first term, consider it as a dividend. 90 2s are 180, greater than this 135, so 91s are 90. 5, 13 minus 9 is 4. See, in this case 135 is a, 90 is b, 1 is quotient, 45 is remainder. Now here we are going to write it in the form of a is equal to bq plus r. 135 is equal to 90 into quotient, that is 1 plus remainder is 45. Now in case of third step, remainder becomes the divisor and divisor becomes the dividend. 45 2s are 90. See, this is 0 0. Remainder becomes 0. This is the last step. This is a, this is b, this is quotient. Now a is equal to bq plus r form means 90 is equal to 45b. Quotient is 2 plus remainder is 0. When remainder becomes 0, this divisor is the HCF of given two numbers. Therefore HCF of 225 and 135 is 45. This is the HCF of the first two numbers. Now, in case of second problem, 196 and 38,225. A is 38,220 and B is 196. These two are the numbers. Here greater number is A and smaller number is B. By long division method, here we are going to find 196, consider it as a divisor. 38,220, consider it as dividend. 196 2s are 6 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18, 190, 2 1s are 2, 1 3, 392. That is greater than 382. So now you consider 196, 1s are 196. 12 minus 6 is 6, 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you take this 2 down, 196 takes up big numbers, that is 9s are 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 9s are 81, 5, 86, 8, 9 1s are 9, 8, 17. Okay, this 1764 lesser than this, you can take 9s are 1764. 12 minus 4 is 8, 15, 15 minus 6 is 9, 0, 0. Now you take this 0 down. 196, 5s are 5 6 are 33, 5 9s are 45, 3 48, 4 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9, 980. 5s are 980. See, in this case, first case only, it completely divides 38,220. It completely divides from 196. Now you consider this one as A, 196 as B, 195 as quotient, remainder is 0. This one we are going to write it in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. 38,220 is equal to 196 into quotient, that is 195 plus remainder. When remainder becomes 0, divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 38,220 and 196 is 196 only. In first case only, it completely divides. So, in these two cases, smaller number, here we are going to consider it as the HCF of given two numbers. Okay. In third problem, 867 and 255. In those two numbers, greater number is 861, consider it as A. 255 is the smaller one, consider it as B. By long division method, here we are going to find 255, consider it as the divisor, 867 as the dividend. 255 4s are, means there is greater more than this is around 1000. So consider 3s are. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 16, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 2 0 1. Okay, in this case 867 as A, 255 as B, 3 is quotient, 102 as the remainder. Now this one we are going to write it in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R form. Means 867 is equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. This is the first step. In that second step, remainder becomes the divisor and divisor becomes the dividend. 102 2s are 204. Okay, 2s are 204. 150. In this case, 255 as A, 102 as B, quotient is 2, remainder is 51. This one we are going to write it in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R, means 255 is equal to 102 into quotient, that is 2, plus remainder is 51. Now in third step, remainder becomes the divisor, divisor becomes the dividend. 51 2s are 102. Here it completely divides. Here remainder is 0, quotient is 2, A is 102, B is 51. That A is equal to BQ plus R form means 102 is equal to 51 into quotient is 2 plus remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, divisor is the HCF of the given two numbers. Therefore, HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. This is the HCF of given two numbers in third case. I hope you are getting these solutions for all the three sub questions related to first question. Okay, thank you students. In that next video, we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2 second problem. Thank you.